Hey there! Looking to switch up your emblem, calling card, or clan tag in Warzone, Modern Warfare, or any other Call of Duty game? You're in luck. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to make those changes hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First off, fire up the Call of Duty HQ. Next, locate and click on your profile icon. A menu will pop up on your screen. From here, you'll have the options to change your calling card, edit your emblem, or adjust your clan tag. To tweak your calling card, simply click here. Then click on All from the top right corner. You'll now see a list of all available calling cards. Select the one you want to use and then click on Equip Calling Card to set it. If you're itching to edit your emblem, hit this button. Choose the emblem you fancy from the options presented. And if you want to change your clan tag, then click here. Type in your desired clan tag. After that, hit save. And voila! Your clan tag is now updated. And that's all there is to it. You successfully changed your emblem, calling card, or clan tag in Call of Duty Warzone, Modern Warfare, or any other Call of Duty game. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.